as I'm stuck in traffic, I want to talk about setting up your kids for life, right? So as you saw in a few posts that I have a custodial account for my kids, and by the time they're 60, if I just put in money for them or whatever they have now, and I just let it go at 10%, they'll have like $3.8 million. Obviously, when they're 60, is $3.8 million going to be $3.8 million worth, you know? But it's still a lot of money when you get down to it. But the caveat is, I feel like I'm in a place to give my kids some sort of money to help them get ahead of life. But for most people, I don't necessarily think you should, in the sense of, if you're not saving and investing for your own retirement, why are you saving and investing for someone else's retirement, even though it's your kids? Because at the end of the day, you don't want to be a burden to your kids when they are grown-ups. So the biggest thing for me is, I think you should take care of future you first before of the financial future of your kids, because obviously you're already putting a roof over their head, giving them their food, and also potentially going to pay for their college. So definitely take care of you first.